Do you struggle with managing heavy loads efficiently in your industrial facility? Introducing the double girder Erode crane, a cutting-edge solution designed to revolutionize the way you handle heavy materials. With its robust construction and advanced features, this crane is built to enhance productivity and safety in your workplace. With its superior lifting capacity and precision controls, the double girder Erode crane is the perfect solution for efficiently managing heavy loads with ease. Say goodbye to manual lifting and labor-intensive processes, and say hello to increased efficiency and productivity. Its ergonomic design and user-friendly interface make it easy to operate for maximum efficiency. Whether you're in the manufacturing, construction, or logistics industry, the double girder Erode crane is a versatile solution that can be customized to meet your specific requirements. Its adaptability and flexibility make it the ideal choice for a wide range of applications. Take your heavy lifting operations to the next level and optimize your workflow for maximum productivity and cost savings. Boost your operational efficiency, improve safety standards, and increase your overall productivity with this advanced lifting solution. To know more the details, contact our mobile number or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.